Hi friends, this is Iris from SS Package in China. Today I introduce our single glass roll bottles. For the shape we have round shape and square shape. For the square shape you may see it have 10 ml and it can do different printing like hot stamping, sandy printing, and silk screen. For the round shape, we have 10 ml and 50 ml. Two cavities. And for the cap, you may see it have short plastic cap, long plastic cap, and aluminum cap. We have the steel bowl and glass bowl for the choose. It can be filled with some perfume, essentials, and other formula you want. The MOQ is 20,000 pieces. If you want to know more, just contact me. See you next time. Bye bye.